Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Useful News. Today we'll discuss about how to recover deleted Instagram photos part 2. Step 3, tap your activity. And step 4, tap recently deleted. This will open the deleted folder. This will open the deleted folder. Step 5, select on the deleted posts. Select on the deleted posts. Then tap the three dots icon. In the top right corner, of the screen and tap restore. Of the screen and tap restore. Then tap restore again. Then tap restore again. Step 6, to either permanently restore or deleted content you will need a one-time password. Sent to you. This is to prevent hackers from working havoc on your profile. You can choose to have it sent. To an email. Or phone number. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.